everybody, my name is Avner and today we're going to talk about estimating products and the quotients. So, have you heard about those things? So, you hear those three things, right? Estimating, products, and also quotients. Those are the three words you hear. What are they first? So what is estimation? That's what we want to know. I'm sure you guys know what estimation is, but I just want to review it, okay? So what is estimation? Estimation is you just round the numbers. So example, 45 round up to 50. So this is because if a number that's more than 5 or exactly 5 rounds up. If it's less than 5, you round down. Only this is a 2-digit number, okay? You can't do this for a 1-digit number like 4. It's not round to 0. You can't do that. 5 is round to 10. Yes, it is because it's rounding up. Any number that's in between those numbers, then it will be rounding up. It will like that number. So what are products? Products are the answer when you multiply. 40 times 7 is 280. Now what are quotients? Quotients are the answer when you divide. So for example, let's say 30 divide 5 is 6, right? And 60 divided 6 is 10. 60 divided by 10 is 6, right? So, now let's start how we do this thing, okay? So, let me pick a number. It could be any kind of number. So, I'm gonna pick, let's say, 74 times 7. Okay, let's say that. We round 74 down because it's less than 5, which would be 70. Then 7 is rounding up, which is going to be 10, right? 70 times 10 is 700, right, guys? I'll give you another example to understand this thing. So, let me give another example. 41 times 7. So, how do you do this? You round 41 down, which is going to be 40, because it's less than 5. You round, here you only round 7. You can round both numbers, sometimes you can round both numbers or only one number. So in this kind of situation, we're only rounding one number here. So times 7 remains the same. So 40 times 7 is 280. And 41 times 7, our answer is 287, which is closer. So because 280 is here. Okay, let's just say 287 is right here. So that's closer. If we did it times 10, which will be 40 times 10 is 400. And 287 is very far from that. That's 400 is right here and then 280 is here. That's very far. So our estimation would be wrong. So right now our estimation is correct when we did this kind of situation. Okay, which is 280. Now let's go on to division. So 37 divided by 3. Okay? We round only one number here. What's that number? 37. 37 is rounding up because it's more than 5. So 40. 40 divided by 3 is 13, remainder 1. Okay, guys? And it's close to that, our answer, okay? And it's yeah. So our estimation is correct. Okay? Now, let's say rounded to 10 already. We cannot do that. So what we could do another kind of one. Let's say 28 divided by 3. Okay, let's just say. So 28 will be rounded to up. It will round up because it's more than 5. So it's going to be 30. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. So, okay, good guys? You understand so far? And let me give you another one. 47 divided by 3. So 47 divided by 3. Divide 3 remains the same. Just 47 will be rounding up. Because it's more than 5. So which will be 50. So 50 divided by 3 is 16 remainder 2. That's our estimation. Our answer will be 15 remainder 2. And they both round up, right? They're both rounding up, which means our estimation is correct. If only one number rounds up or only another number rounds down, then our estimation is not correct. If they both round up or if they both round down, then our estimation is correct. Now, I gave you an examples. Now, I'm going to give you a question, okay? And I'll tell you why. So, why do we need to learn this and hear this? Okay? So, let's start from why do we need to learn this? So, we need to learn this because if we did not learn this, we wouldn't know what to estimate. Like, we wouldn't know what estimating is. We wouldn't know what product is or quotient is. We wouldn't know what multiplying or division is or estimation is, as I said. And sometimes people who work in stores sometimes estimate. They sometimes estimate. They just don't want to find the exact amount. Sometimes. And something like like science wouldn't exist, like astronomy. Because if you wanted to find us, like let's say the world's biggest star, Stephen 218. Like let's say if you guys know that, some people I think know this. So Stephen 218 is the largest star in this universe, and its mass is unknown. We want to estimate it, but we don't know how to estimate. So that's why this thing here we're learning is important for us. And products, same thing too. Like let's say you have some kind of questions or something to do. You want to figure out what operation. And you say, well, multiplying, but you don't know what it is. Or let's say you don't know what multiplying is, right? Or division is. So how would you know that, right? So that's why we need to learn estimating products and quotients. Without that, we wouldn't learn these kind of things. Now, why are we hearing this? We're hearing this because let's say you learned this before, but you forgot it. And you never hear this for a long time after from now today. And if you didn't hear it, how would you know this thing, right? So that's why I'm teaching you it and you guys are hearing it. Just in case if you guys forgot this thing. So that's why we're hearing this. It's not just because of that, because it's also important to know that. And I'm just reviewing about this. So that's why we need to learn it and to hear it. And it's important for us, for everyone in this world to know this. So, thank you for coming to my speech. I hope you like it. My next speech will be on March 30 surprised. You will be like, what? That's what you will be like. You will be very surprised. And feel free to have any questions. Anyone? If anyone doesn't want to, then have a wonderful day. Bye.